Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 11th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Cancer, let's go ahead and go into your reading, okay? So let's see who you were. No, let's see who are you incarnated as. We got the Queen of Wands, okay? So I'm getting somebody who is very, very big in the fashion sense. I'm getting you're a mogul, you make clothes, hear about dispense. Do you dispense clothes? Are you selling dispense? I'm getting a vending machine with clothes in it, like shoes, pants, tops, bra, underwear. I'm getting a clothing vending machine. I don't know why I just got that, okay? But I'm getting you are also a Leo, you are also a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, okay? What is the spiritual gifts? I'm getting a very intuitive. I'm getting a clear sentimental. So I'm getting, even though you're very extroverted, you can pick up on people's ill intentions of you very easily. Usually people who have clear sentiments, they have to be isolated, them keep away from people. I'm getting you can walk up to somebody, meet them in a one business meeting and be like, I'll never work with that bitch because I don't like her, she have ill intentions. I'm getting you very empathetic, I'm getting you can feel. You're an empath. What's your weakness? The Hierophant. So your weakness is commitment. Your weakness is doing the right thing. Maybe your weakness is going to church. Your weakness could also be a Taurus. What is your strength? The Queen of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting man. Because there's a woman here, woman here, woman here. The only person who's missing is Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles is not Queen of Pentacles. Apparently she's the Hierophant. So I'm getting a lot of women working together, but there's one woman who is the odd one out. Apparently she act like a man, or she have a lot of respect from males. A lot of men respect her. So I'm getting while all the queens can be comfortable with she being a Queen of Swords and her attire, and she being a Queen of Cups and her attire, I'm getting she put on a cloak, the Hierophant. So I'm getting out of all the queens, she's the only queen that actually has a say in society and hierarchy. Because the Queen of Swords is who? She could be the star card, yes, this is true, but the star card, there's many stars. The Queen of Cups, she's Pisces. She could be Pisces, remember? She's a high priestess, right? But still the high priestess usually advises somebody else. The high priestess rarely works alone. Then we have the Queen of Wands. Now she could be what? The Sun card. She could be the Strength card, okay? But I'm getting the only one who will govern everybody and the Hierophant. So what I'm getting is that you're a queen and you have friends. You are a queen or you come from a very privileged family. I'm getting you have friends all who come from privileged family. The only one that may not come from a privileged family is the Hierophant. But I'm getting she's more higher ranking. So even though on our queens, we're getting all the queens must pray to God. All the queens must go to church at the end of the day. So there is something about a Taurus not competing with the other queens. The Taurus act manly, she don't act feminine. But I'm also getting the Taurus have the highest responsibility out of all the queens. So maybe you're trying to aspire to be a Hierophant. This could be it. Because I'm getting your weakness is even though you're a queen, you're not disciplined. You can't go in front of a crowd and govern a kingdom. You're not that type of queen. You have the title because you're mother and father, but I'm getting if push come to shove, you could not really run your castle. You could not give proper information as to how somebody can navigate a situation. The Hierophant can. Because I'm getting it's all about the looks and the glamour and all of that. But with the Hierophant, it's about teaching, respect, devotion. So the odd one out here is the Queen of Pentacles. How are you using your gifts to help you? The Hermit. You're getting your help those who seek help. How are you using it to destroy? The Six of Swords. We're getting something about mother and child, mother and children. Or I'm getting you're sending the women. Oh, I see one video of one girl, I don't know which rapper. One girl, she run go shelter with her baby, and the guy I call her and I say, I got money now, I'm up now, come back, come back. And all the comments are saying that, wow, she must have got through fucker for she forgot shelter. They're saying that you're destroying the women. You're telling the women that when they're unhappy, them to leave. Are we destroying the women? Are we destroying the happy home? Or are we protecting our children? Because that's why women leave unhappy marriages. It's one thing if your man upon you. It's another thing if your man abuse in front of the kids. That's why we tell the women to leave when they have kids. Because the kids go and grow up and be the same thing what they must say the father do you. So I'm getting apparently the queens are like, we're not queens without a king. We love to be we have a counterpart, you know how queens operate. I'm getting the Taurus, the earth sign is the only one who don't stay that way. She's being accompanied by a Virgo too. Earth. I'm getting she don't give a fuck about the queen thing, the dresses and all of that shit. She care about real moral righteousness. Not what the mommy and daddy leave in inheritance. So I'm getting there saying that you are telling the women to leave. Yeah, we are telling you, anytime your man abuse you, whether he abuse you financially, economically, spiritually, or sexually, go to one blood clot shelter. I bet him shame. I bet him, and if you see him on the phone, I say, come back, my shit is up now, my shit is up. I shame him. Because he must say I do our things underneath the quiet and never think a blood clot girl like that in a Hollywood. None of them type of girl there would have a blood clot, homeless, abuse, domestic violence shelter with she and her baby. And him call her, tell her, come back, because him shame. Your woman and your blood clot put them there shelter, them rather their shelter than take your help. And why they do to her, so why she not take your help? You know how much girl want put man on child support? She left, she went to a shelter with her kids. And him a call her how him have money. Yeah, him had money all along, him not give her done when she in the house with him. What the fucking kids eating? Kraft fucking dinner. They're eating fucking Kraft, the macaroni and cheese for dinner, while you're out of ball with your blood clot friend them. She left him and she went to a shelter. Any blood clot woman, me not care if your man dig oil or blood clot, him dig diamonds. As long as him abuse you and nothing for left and go on blood clot government building. I better say it shame him. It shame him more that you pack up and left with your kids and make people have to know saying him is a big wealthy man, and him woman, no matter how wealthy he was, the woman wanted better for her kids. Cause money don't make you better. Money don't make you better. A shame is what kill them. Half of them money where you see the girl them pack up and go shelter. Half of the wife them you see pack up and go on a shelter. A shame kill the husband them. Cause them shame for say look how I have money, look how I look at my wife rather than go government building and stay with me. What were you doing to your wife where you're shame for talking in public? You're talking about you're breaking up a happy home. You are not teaching the women to stay and sort out blood clot what? Them a blood clot picker and inventory packer, them need to sort packages. Left the blood clot, man. Your greed for money is what is holding you on to that marriage. And you keep telling yourself that, oh, what would my parents say? What would God say? God didn't get married. God died. God didn't have a wife. Jesus didn't have a wife either. So you're fucking scared to leave yours. You met the blood clot church tell you say if you leave your husband is an abomination. Jesus was never married. Only you alone them can trick. You alone them can trick. They just find where you're insecure the most and them use it against you. You alone them can blood clot trick. Jealous. They can't trick me. And if they might trick me, they have to pay me while I'm getting tricked. Celebrity. It's over. Genius IQ. Can we just talk and kill them with kindness? I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time. Bye.